Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about Italian opening, how to play it, what problem you are gonna face it at intermediate level, and how to handle that problems. So I'm gonna play a live game so you can understand it more easily. It is gonna be a rapid game, so I can explain between the game. The game is between Benjamin Thompson, 1271. Over about 1200, it's known as means intermediate level. So we are gonna start with Italian opening. I usually use combos like I will be playing knight f3. If after that, yes, I will be playing bishop c4. If he plays this, I will be going for fried liver attack. And now it's Italian game because the queen file is still open. If you yes, a simple move here is this, I think. Yes, yes. Gucci piano main line. We will be playing this. Doing attack here. Yes, he is gonna capture here. It's the most popular move that I am telling. We captures, we castles. Now our main plan is that he takes on like the most popular chance that he's gonna take it from bishop, and if he didn't take it from bishop, then it's a completely lost movement. Means it's 90% chance that he's gonna lose the game. So let's see what he plays after this move. Because if he takes with his bishop, then we are also having some moves like we can play d6, like yes, d5 we played, sorry, not d6. Gonna be an invalid move. He is now +4, but currently we are attacking this and this, so it's gonna be very hard for him to protect all of his piece, and on next move we are gonna again gain that piece that we have lost. So let's see what he's gonna play. Like here, one of the best moves are not best move means main line goes to bishop f6. Then we are gonna play this, and means we are now having a good position according to Indian, according to evaluation bar, and according to the games I have analyzed. Now it's a good position. Actually, if he captures with his knight here, we will be playing like still we are not gonna capture. We will be playing. We can also play this rook e1. After rook e1, we can also play this or this move. This or this move. Not this one. Wrong arrow. This one, yes. So there are many moves after, because after knight captures, we think that he is attacking our queen. But there are many possible ways, and also we can first play this and then he is thinking, I think. So let's wait until he moves. Two pieces are attacked. So let's see what he is gonna do. Like we can also push our this pawn here, so that now that one bishop will be permanently trapped. Means he cannot control this one file, and our bishop is controlling good diagonal. Like, let me tell you what are we controlling. We are controlling after pinning this knight, if he moves his bishop, then we will be controlling this one square. And after here is a trick, not a trick, but yes, we can say about somewhat data trick. So if I play rook e1, first of all, if he moves his bishop, then I play rook e1. Right? There are many possible moves that black can play here. Like he can move bishop, he can move knight. He can also play this one move. Yes, and most of the people plays this move also. But after that we can go with this, and if he captures here, we can capture here, and it's a check. So the king needs to move. If he not moves, it's also okay. We'll be playing this one move, capture his knight. So let's wait for him to move. He's taking too much time. I can't understand what he's trying to do now. So the opponent in mainly the blitz game, now opponent blunders. If you are playing blitz and your opponent comes here, like in this position, he takes here, we play this move. 90% of opponent are gonna blunder at intermediate level in blitz. This is rapid, so opponent has time to think. That's why he can think and okay, he can means he can just maintain position. It's not completely lost for black, but if you just know the theory, then it can be lost for black. Let me okay something. From next time I'm gonna play 10-minute game because in this first of all we have both are having increment, so there it's a lot of time there for black to think. I don't know why he's not moving. It's a position where black needs to think, but I think he's overthinking. He's from USA. He's a diamond member. Benjamin Thompson. He castles. Okay. Yes, this is one of the popular moves. Now it's one of the side theories, so I need to think also now at this time. Hmm. It's quite tough to move here because castle is a side theory, it's not the main line. Let me think. Okay. After this, big castles. Actually, the best move here for black was bishop f6, and it's known as main line. But now the best move, I think I am calculating this one. What if we capture here and not here? Here. Then I'm thinking of king side attack mainly. Can we attack there because we are at a great angle of that side. Okay, so I think it's the best move here to play this. Yes, I think that. Because after that, we are having a means our black bishop is pointing towards the king. Our white bishop is also means after playing d6 mainly. I think this was also a good move here. As I studied that this was no. Yes, it will be a loss for us. We will be giving 2 points for free. I think bringing the bishop here, it's a good move. Best move for black can be what black can do here. Like black can play knight a5. Try to no. Try to open. Yes, he needs to play knight a5. Knight a5. Yes, knight a5. Knight a5 or Okay. We capture sir. And I think now we are winning the game because we will be attacking two. Like if you play this, now this is attack, and both cannot be separated. Yes, I think we are. Yes, we are winning. Because now many of the people will be thinking why can't we move here? So it's the bishop one. That bishop is gonna capture there, and knight can come here. No, there are not any good moves for. Now black is losing. We will be plus. Why is plus two? One minute. We give him another pawn. Okay. And I was saying that in this position there is only a single good move, that was knight a5 that black can play. Actually, if you will learn the opening, you will learn all the moves that can be played at the time of opening. Then it's a lot easier to win many games in opening. Like this time he just blundered his knight. In blitz you will be seeing blundered 4 to 5 moves before. Like from this one move you will be seeing blunders. I don't know why he's thinking. This is the current position, let him think. I went to the washroom. Okay, depend. No. Yes, that was what I said. Oh, he's using a tactic now. If I capture here, then he will be playing this. But it's a 2 knight, and then we can also trap his queen. Okay, I know his trap. Mainly he's trying to do, if I capture here, he's gonna give us a check from here. Then we kill it. He will be playing queen xa, but he doesn't know that we are having a, his queen will be tamed after bishop to b2. Okay, so let him, I think this is what he is thinking. Yes, according to me he is thinking this, and I know that we will be plus in points after. Yes, he gives his knight. We want a knight and a queen against a queen. Knight and against a rook. We will be giving a rook, and we will be winning a knight and queen. Okay, it's completely winning for us. I said if you will study the opening, he is auto resigning. Yes, the game is gonna end. If you will study the opening, then you are gonna win many of games in opening. Like now, if one is that we can also play if he moves his queen somewhere. Just do it normal. If he moves his queen somewhere, so we can play knight to. We can still play knight to f5 if we move this queen from this. So then we will be having. Yes, I know. He was gonna play this. Now he will be capturing this, and now your queen is tamed. Yes, and now we will be wow. Because at this time you need to calculate. It's not hard to calculate when he designs. I know you, if you will study the opening better, then you are gonna win the game very easily in openings. Most of the game now. Game review. Wait a minute, let me do some settings so that you can see the highlights of the game. Just wait a minute. I think you are not You are not seeing complete board. Just wait a minute. I will be just doing it. I think now you are able to see the whole board. OMG, I played with 99.8 accuracy. He played with 78.8 accuracy. Does he did a blunder 2 in accuracy. I played one great. Let me see the ending move. Is this was the best move here? But there are not any moves from which the queen can be saved. You can still means you are losing, but okay, you can try to stretch the game long by capturing this. I think yes, because you are in losing position, but opponent is +3. Okay, according to chess.com, it was best move. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will find this helpful. And I want to tell you one thing that when you are gonna play Italian opening or like here, if my opponent is gonna play knight f6, I will be then playing knight g5. It's a friendly vertex and means most of the opponent blunder. So try to make combos like this. And nowadays when I am facing opponent playing e4, when I play e4, most of the opponent means are playing this e6 move. So please study again. Please study for this e6 move when someone played. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope this video will find